Integra is passionate about sustainability. We are environmentally conscious, focused on reducing our carbon footprint and minimising waste. This is a vital consideration in our product design and development methodology with our advanced manufacturing equipment and processes. And this has been Integra's philosophy since the company's foundation in 1991. It's now formally recognised as a concept called circularity. Introducing Integra TransForm's Lune Collection. Born from a value-driven partnership with Brink Industrial in the Netherlands. Brink sought an Australian partner to digitally license their sanitising and recycling waste stations for the local market under the brand name Lune. This partnership eliminates the carbon emissions created by shipping their products to Australia. Brink identified Integra as being the perfect match for both their values and needs. Starting with separation at the source, followed by a full life cycle of circularity, Integra's Lune Collection includes Split, a range of bins with interchangeable waste stream options. Split bins are available in versions with 2 to 5 compartments. The Split's internal bins, soft-close gas struts and caster wheels make using and cleaning the bin more ergonomic. Similar to Split, Paxa separates waste sustainably, but with separate magnetically connectable units, a number of size options, as well as a choice of 2 lid types, bamboo and recycled materials. Lune's Easy Disinfection Station is made from materials that are 100% recyclable and adaptable to new functions for quick and easy sanitising in any workplace culture. Lune's Pure Disinfection Station has all the features of the Easy model and more. These include being customisable for the addition of logos, instruction boards and so on, optional monitor mounts, shelves, additional bins and other accessories. The Pure is available in both high and low versions of the station. Integra's relationship with Brink has sustainability at its heart and honours the principles of a circular economy: reduce, reuse, recycle and redeploy. Circularity is more than just sustainability. It's an ethos that's entrenched in our company's DNA. Integra looks forward to creating even more products that demonstrate how sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. Agile, circular, progressive, revolutionary. Find out how going circular is better both for your business and future generations.